Hi, I'm Priyanka Sharma, standing here at ISB. I just completed a spectacular course from ISB, which is called the CFO Program Executive Course for executives like us who are in leadership positions in organizations. I head the finance, HR, and business operations in my current organization, and I must tell you, this program has immensely helped me in leveling up, in gaining industry insights, and it was very structured, very helpful, and very knowledgeable. And I got an opportunity to network with the best industry professionals, and that's the beauty of doing a course with such a prestigious organization like ISB. So, like I said, I decided to choose this program because first, because of the structure. When I went through the content of the program, what are its offerings and how it is going to help me to progress in my career. For a finance professional like myself who wants to level up, who wants to upscale themselves, I'm always looking at programs which are tailor-made for that particular purpose I want to achieve in my life. So that's it. For advanced education, for upskilling myself, this was the right choice. So my experience with the ISB faculty has been wonderful. They're very they're very knowledgeable. They used to conduct very interactive sessions, and they have given us a lot of insights in terms of what as a leader is expected out of you. And this course has really helped me, and I'm sure all the other participants as well, to upscale themselves. About the program was very well structured, very insightful, very knowledgeable, and the way the assessments were done, it is very scientific. I just absolutely enjoyed thoroughly going through the entire program. So, Imarticus has been instrumental to the entire program, the operational and the admin part of managing everything behind the scenes, be it our questions, be it faculty, managing everything end to end. It was just Imarticus, and if they were not there, I'm sure we would be in deep trouble. They helped us manage everything meticulously, everything immensely beautiful. So I'm grateful to them. They have been an extremely good moderator, extremely good mediator, and the operational side of everything has been seamless because of Imarticus. So thank you to them. I would absolutely recommend this course to anybody who would want to advance themselves in terms of knowledge, who would want to advance themselves in terms of networking, who would want to progress in terms of gaining more knowledge about finance, market, a leadership position. If you want to prepare yourself for the next level, this is the right course for you guys. So my three best key takeaways from this course are that education is a continuous process from the time you're born until you die. So continuous learning, continuous upgrading yourself is necessary. The second key takeaway is you should network as a leader. It's very important to network, to connect, to interact. And third and final key takeaway is in order to be a good leader, first you need to learn why somebody should be led by you. So these are the fundamental things which are the key takeaways from this beautiful program. I'm immensely grateful to the faculty, to Imarticus, to everyone who has tailored this amazing program and helped us all. Thank you so much.